Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to stop automatic recalculation right away. Open your workbook, then go to the Formulas tab and set calculation options to manual. This prevents Excel from recalculating every change. Once done, make sure to save the workbook so the setting persists. You can still force recalculation with F9 or Shift plus F9 for the active sheet. This method is fast and reversible. It buys you control over processing while you make bulk edits or copy large ranges. Once manual mode is on, confirm under File right arrow options, right arrow formulas that workbook calculation is set to manual, so it applies across sessions. You'll control when Excel recalculates. Press Shift plus F9 to recalc the active sheet, F9 for all open workbooks, and Control plus Alt plus F9 to force a full rebuild. Make sure to check for volatile functions like now or indirect and external links that still trigger updates. Replacing or limiting them reduces surprise recalculations and speeds work during large edits. To permanently stop calculation for a range, convert formulas to values. Select the cells, copy, then paste special right arrow values. This removes dependency on Excel's engine. Once done, save a backup so you can recover formulas if needed. Make sure manual calculation is still set if you plan more edits, otherwise Excel may recalc after toggling. Troubleshooting tip: if you accidentally overwrite formulas and need them back, close the file without saving and reopen the previous version to restore the formulas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.